The Realme GT Neo 2 builds on the brand's GT series of smartphones that were launched just a few months ago. The Realme GT Neo 2, unlike the mid-range GT Master Edition and the Premium GT, is designed purely with gamers in mind. Sounds exciting? Let's take a look at what's inside the box. This is the Realme GT Neo 2. Let's just take off the wrapper and unbox the phone now. Here's the box. Everything's empty over here. This is the instruction manual and safety guides. Keep that over here. This is the Realme GT Neo 2 in this very Neo green variant. We'll come back to that later. Let's see what else is there in the box. There is a special case. It's a TPU case, but it has this nice matte finish, which should add to the grip, considering that this one has a matte back. Apart from that, there is the 65-watt super dart charger and the charging cable. Inside the box, there's also the SIM ejector tool. Keep all of this aside and go to the smartphone. Okay, so now I'll take out the wrapper of the phone. You can see there's this nice satin silk matte finish on the green areas, while the black area is a polished thing. It's supposed to be a glass back with a polycarbonate frame, and the camera setup over here is also very different and unique looking. At the bottom is the Type-C USB port. The phone has dual speakers, one at the top and one at the bottom. And let's start up the phone and set it up. And now that we've unboxed the device, let's take a closer look at the Neo Green Realme GT Neo 2. The Realme GT Neo 2 comes in three finishes: Neo Green, Neo Blue and Neo Black. We received the Neo Green unit for review, and its back panel features a dual glass tone finish where the green parts are matte and the black stripe is glossy. Its frame is made of polycarbonate and the phone weighs 199 grams. The phone has a 6.62-inch AMOLED display, which is protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass 5. The display features a 120Hz refresh rate and 600Hz touch sampling rate, which should be useful for gamers. It also supports HDR10 Plus for video streaming, and there's also stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support. Moving to core hardware, there's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 SoC with its prime core clocked at 3.2 GHz. Realme has also included a large stainless steel vapor cooling system, which it claims will keep the phone cool during intense gaming sessions. The phone is available in two configurations. There's an 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant, and a 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. Powering that gaming experience is a 5000 mAh battery that can be charged up with a 65-watt charger. At the back are three cameras, including a 64-megapixel primary camera, an ultra-wide-angle camera, and a macro camera. Selfie duties are handled by a 16-megapixel camera. The Realme GT Neo 2 runs Realme UI 2.0 with Android 11 as the base. One detail that I did notice were plenty of pre-installed third-party apps. Realme's GT Neo 2 may not scream gaming, but its edgy design and gaming-ready hardware clearly appeals to the younger gaming audience. But there are phones like Poco's F3 GT around the same price tag that offer some appealing gamer-friendly hardware features like RGB lighting, maglev triggers, and even a physical switch for its gaming mode. How does the GT Neo 2 perform while playing games? And are the cameras any good? We'll find out in our detailed review, so stay tuned to Gadget360.com.